Guys, oh. $6:05. Madilim na. It's already dark. But look at my camera. It's still very, very shiny. It seems that it's daytime, but it's not. Look at the lights of the car. That side. This is the public market.